Welcome to Market Snapshot from the Incred Equities Desk. In this podcast, our expert from the Equities Research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty and Bank Nifty moved some part and they recovered some of the lost territory. It is still a good part that is left, and Nifty and Bank Nifty will have to work very hard to recover the lost ground. Having said that, both the indices, both the benchmark indices rather, they have seen bounce back from the critical support areas in form of a lower band of an ascending channel support area on the daily charts. Both the indices are hovering near 200 DMA, though they have closed above that, but nevertheless it's not that they have closed on a very comfortable note, and Nifty has been going between above and below the 200 DMA, so mean being the 200 DMA. Overall the setup remains the same. Till the time 23,500 is not taken out, things should be fine, and we may see a move towards 24,000, 24,100. A close about 24,200 will trigger a pattern for 25,000 levels in January month itself. For Bank Nifty, 49,500 is going to be the key level to watch out for. If that is sustained, it can go towards 51,000. A close above this can add another 1,500 points in the current month itself. Let these indices break the channel area and not anticipate of something of that happening. And once this happens, if there's a breakdown, then we may look for 5 to 8% fall. But till the time it does not happen, keep your positions from the long side, keep your views for the bounce back. I'm not talking about bottom here, but yes, there is some sort of bounce back that can be seen. US markets yesterday closed lower on a weaker note, 1% to 1.5% lower. GIFT Nifty is however pointing towards a 30 points cut. In all likelihood will on a mild negative note. If the Asian markets are also trading soft, then we may see some more pressure building up, and Nifty may try to attempt 23,600, 580 again. Risk traders can buy Nifty around 23,550, 570, keeping stop loss of 70-80 points and playing for targets of 24,000. FIs yesterday sold around 1,500 crores worth in cash. Domestic bought around 1,600 crores worth in cash. Not much of an activity happening over there as well. But minor sell numbers on a positive day can result in some profit booking going ahead. Broader markets were seen outperforming. Again, they were not significantly higher, but nevertheless, many of the stocks did see a bounce back. That was a relief. Let us see if there is some follow through happening or not. Nifty has formed, I would not call as a proper doji, but it has formed an indecisive candle, and a cross of yesterday's high to result in a good short covering of 150-200 points. So that is it from my side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.